To my Curly Girls and Me, or welcome back to my Curly Girls and Me. I just received this curl kit, a quick video, and I'm not on camera because I was in the middle of getting ready to do my hair, and it came finally today on May 2nd. April 2020's box came today on May 2nd. I'm like just glad to be done with them. This is the first. They got tape on the box. Okay. So glad I'm finished with them. Look at this. It took them that long to get out a box full of junk. Look at this. I'll do a close up so you can see. It took them this long to send us a bunch of random stuff. So as you can see, we got the Afro Sheen Glow Up Shine Spray, finishes and add shine. I got so many of these, I don't know what to do with. Illuminate Me, this coconut, this Lotta Body coconut and shea oil spray. This Newly. This is a hair serum to manage hair. And I got this. Don't need no more of this. And this is a new product that I haven't received before. Almond and Marshmallow Therapy Leave-In Conditioner by Eden Body Works. So that's what's in April's bootleg curl kit box. So again, I'm so glad this is my last box. I'm done with them forever. This natural hair moisturization serum, and here it is right there. So there it is. So it was purposely done. They mix and match products, I guess, just to fill up the box, because it's all in here except for this. Only thing is they don't have these two products, the Lotta Body and the pamphlet. Yeah. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products. But yeah, again, I'm glad I'm done. This is my last curl kit unboxing video. So thank you all who have been watching these videos. And yeah, I hope you stay around. Stay tuned for other videos on our channel. Until next time, Lord say the same. You'll see me in the next one. Keep it real. Keep it curly, straight, or protected. However, just do you.